Okay everyone, in today's video, I'm gonna tell you how step by step you can set up your Shopify online store. If you are willing to open an online store and don't know where to start, you are in the right place. So let's get started. Firstly, you should go to your browser and search Shopify over there and just click on the first thing that appears. Or you can also find the shopify.com official site link below in the description. And once the site is open, you can see that on the top right corner there is start for free button. Just click on it. Once you click on it, Shopify will ask your email ID, or you can also sign up with your Google account, your Apple account, or your Facebook account. I am entering my email ID. After that, Shopify will ask you to create a password. You can create a password of your own choice, and remember the password as it will help you to log into your Shopify account in future. And just click on the create account button after that. Hmm. After that, as you can see in this page, Shopify is giving you some basic information like Shopify is free for the 3 days, and after that, you can buy a plan, Shopify, and Shopify is still giving some benefits like 20 rupees per month for the first 3 months, and after that, you have to pay the online original price, which is 1,994 rupees, and these prices varies from plan to plan. So if you want to subscribe for a plan or buy a plan right now, you can just enter your UPI ID or phone number and other basic details like your address, country, or you can also buy it using your credit card. You can give your credit card number and other details, or you can skip it too if you are not willing to buy it right now. And after that, Shopify will ask you some basic questions like what can we help you do and what should we call your store. You can give a name to your store here and you can also change this later. And if you are still figuring it out, what should be your store name, then you can just skip it for now. Like this, I will by clicking on I will do this later, you can just skip this. And after that, you will land on your Shopify e-commerce store dashboard. As you can see, there are some basic informations like you can add your store name over here, you can add products from here, you can customize your theme and other details like set a payment provider, shipping rate, and your customized domain. And on the left sidebar, you can see many options one by one. Let us go through these options. The orders option here, you can see the orders that the customer will buy from your store. You can see all the orders here, and for that you just have to buy a plan first. You can check the draft order, the abandoned orders, and in the product section you can add the product from here, or you can also import products from CSV files. You can add update bulk products in it, which is very helpful. And you can also create collections or categories, we can say, and you can just add product to these categories from here. You can check your inventory from here for the different locations. You can check the inventory. You can purchase orders and other things that you can see that you can transfer orders and create gift card. After that, you can see the customer section. Here you can see all the customers which are interacting with your website, and you can also add customer of your own. You can check the marketing section here. You can create campaigns for your online store and check the details of the campaign and what are the conversion rate, what the sessions. After that, you can also go through the discount section here. You can create discounts, coupons for customers, and you can see the content section here. You can create the meta object and meta fields for the dynamic data. You can create files. You can create the menus for the navigation bar, and you can also create a blog post from here if you want to display a blog in your website too. And you can also go through the market section, the analytics section. Here you can see all the reports of your site. like the total sales, customer rate, order fulfilled, orders. You can all check it here in the analytics section. And if you want to customize your online store, the front end of your online store, like what it should look like in this, you can just go on the online store. In the theme section, you can edit the theme from here, or you can change a theme. If you want to buy another theme, you can just go here and buy another theme, or you can also visit the theme store by clicking it here. You can see there are a lot of themes. Some are paid, some are free. You can check it out from here, and if you want to buy a paid theme, you can just buy it. And if you want to customize your theme, you just click on the edit theme button. Here you can add sections to it. You can delete sections in it. You can change the heading, the name, all the things from here. You can add sections. Like there are a lot of sections, and these thing changes based on the theme, which theme you are using. And after that, you can just save it and go back by clicking exit. Here you can create pages for your online store like this. You can create contact page, about us page, and any other page you want. You can also add uh, apps to it, which will help you give more functionality like this. You can just click on the download button and the app will be downloaded. And you can just click on settings and go through these all settings. You can explore these settings here. There are a lot of options in this too, like general. Here you can see the general details of your store, like your store name, your store address, the country, the time zone. You can change it from here. And there are a lot of other details, like you can change your plan, you can see the plans, you can choose plan, you can cancel your plan from here, the billing details, and a lot of other things.
And that's it. Your Shopify store is ready to go. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.